This is a tornado warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for northern Buffalo County, Sherman County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking possible tornadoes along the line extending from Amherst to Pleasanton to Ravenna. Doppler radar showed these tornadic storms moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. A tornado was confirmed near Pleasanton. Locations impacted include Miller, Loop City, Hazard, and Litchfield. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Buffalo, and Sherman.